Hi, this is Mr. AB. Welcome you to AB Math Education YouTube channel. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so. I'm glad you're here to study with me. So we are looking into the slope questions, how the SAT and ACT and any scholastic assessment exams will be worded their ways when it comes to slope. So we're going to look at the two instances, and after that I believe you will be equipped for all instances as you are preparing towards your upcoming exams. If a slope of a line in the XY plane that passes through a point 2 and negative 4 and another point 6 and k is 3 over 2, what is the value of k? So is in math is equal. Okay, so here we have 2 points. So anytime you have 2 points, then the best slope 2 that you have to, so you have to use rise over run, which is the same as y2 minus y1 all divided by x2 minus x1. So you can label your point, so it does not even matter. So here got a point, and then you got 6k. So I have done a lot about slope. I will attach the link to this video so that you can watch. Anytime you're finding the slope, rise is on the top, so you can just link the y to the y this way, and then the x to the x. And if you want, you can also label this as x2. You can label this one as x1 y1, x2 y2 if you want. But here, the way you have, you know that this is up, this is down, so it's just going to be k minus the formula minus and this negative 4. And then since you started from here, you're going to start 6 minus 2, and that slope must be equals to 3 over 2. So here you are going to get k minus minus become plus 4, and then here give you 4, and it must be equals to 3 over 2. So you can do this multiplying this and this multiplying that. So if that is the case, you're going to get k plus 4. It's 2 terms, so all times 2. If you want, you can put the parentheses here. Must be equals to 3 times 4. So here you distribute the 2 over the addition, so you get 2k plus 2 times 4, which is 8, and 3 times 4, which is 12. You want to solve for k, so you have to get rid of the 8 here, so you subtract and you subtract. Get 2k, here becomes 0, and here give you 4. It's multiplying, you divide here by 2, repeat the same thing here. This 10 into 1, and 1k is the same as k, and 4 divided by 2 is this. So here we have been able to find our k, which is 2. Okay, let's look at another slope application here. A line in the xy plane passes through origin, so origin have to be 0 0, and it has a slope of negative 3 over 4. Which of the following points does not lie on the line? Equation of a line give you all the points on that line is a solution. So which of them is not here? Here you got 2 points, here you got 1 point, and you got a slope. So the best 2 for you to use is y is equals to mx plus b. And if you're in Europe, UK, then you'll be using plus c. All of them means the same. So here we have been given the slope, which is the m, as negative 3 over 4, and the b or the c, which is the y-intercept, is 0 because it's going through the origin, so it's crossing at 0. That make the work easy. So our equation of the line is going to be y is equals to negative 3 over 4x, as that 0 plus 0 is nothing. So this is the equation of a line. Now we're going to create, or we're going to plot This is, remember this, we have to use a multiple choice to check because which one it doesn't lie in there. So this is X. The first number is X and the second is Y. We're going to do the input to see if we will get a Y component. So you can create a table if you want. The X and the Y. So we are using the point when it's 2. Wherever you see X, you put 2 over there. So you get -3, 4 times 2, which is going to be -6 over 4, and you simplify, 2 go here, -3, 2 go here. So you see that that's is a point, so that's not. Be careful with that, which that's not. And then you plug in the -4 to see. So -4, plug in -4. So this will cross this one out, and the negative will come, it will left with -1. So here it's giving you 3. So this one is also true, so you can't, they are looking for not. And then you go ahead and then you pick 8, and 8 you just plug it in there, 1, and then here 8, here go here 2, and that should have given us -6. So you see that this is giving us -3. So this is a point that does not lie in there. As for the 0, 0, we already got it over here because it went through the origin. So indeed, when you plug in 0, you get -3 over 4 times 0, and that will be 0. So you see, that's also a point on that line. So this is how you solve this question. I thank you very much for tuning in into my channel and standing with me. I wish you the best and the best of your upcoming exam. I wish you the best in whatever that you're doing. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so. Like the video and leave us a comment. See you in the next video.